Okay, alright. Today I'm going to show you. Today I realized something when I was looking through the chart. So it's between Tesla and NIO, right? So for Tesla, right, we all know that stock price recently has gone up from a mere $600-700 all the way to 1,002. That is almost a 30 to 40% increase, right? So right, so if you were to see my screen right here, I have the Tesla chart with me, and you can see that last time I do place a support line over here where when it was doing concentrating of the stock price, it's just moving sideways, right? It's not going anywhere. And let me show you something, right? So this is what we call the bottom triangle, right, or the descending triangle, right? So what we can see here is that, you know, the stock price bottoms at about the same price at about 541, but the peak right actually decreases over time, right? The first peak that it went after the whole bullishness of Tesla stock rise over to about close to $900, and the second peak was about 700 plus, and then we saw a few mini peaks, and then the next one was at 600 plus, and after which the stock just rose, right? If I can draw here, the stock just rose this way, right? The stock price peaked here, the stock price peaked here, and then the stock price rose, right? And the stock price bottoms up at here and here, right? So this is the pattern of Tesla, and now it has break out and it has risen exponentially, the price. Okay, but this is not the thing I want to show you here. The thing I want to show you here is not Tesla, right? Tesla might be, the day might have gone for you to go in, but of course I'm not saying that Tesla will not rise. I'm just saying that the price now is quite overbought. So you probably have to wait a while more for the demand and supply to go back to its balance. So we can see from the indicator, right? Okay, so the indicator, you know, I have MACD here, I have my stochastic RSI here. So they are all saying that it is overbought. So you just gotta wait a while before we can, you know, get to seeing the opportunity to buy in Tesla. But what I'm going to show you here, okay, so remember this pattern of Tesla. What I want to show you here is NIO. So if you guys don't know what is NIO, okay, NIO is essentially the Chinese EV maker. Tesla is US, NIO is China, okay, to put it simply. Both of them, they had the same pattern throughout the year 2021 and the year 2020. So if you guys follow the entire EV market, you'll be able to see that Tesla and NIO has risen tremendously and has a lot of gains through the years, right? So for NIO, if you look at pre-2021, you'll be able to see that the price rose from a mere $3 all the way up to 60 plus. That is a crazy 2,000% gain, right? And so, okay, let me bring back Tesla again. So you see pre-2021, yes, it did boom. Of course, this is just 400%, nothing as crazy as NIO, but we see the same pattern here. It peaked at the early 2021, right? That for Tesla. Likewise for NIO, it peaked at early 2021. And if you look at my chart, I drew the same triangle pattern. Right, if you see what I'm doing here, are you seeing what I'm saying? This is Tesla, right? The peak decreases through 2021. The bottom is the same. Basically the support line is the same, but the resistance has a decreasing peak. NIO likewise. My support level is roughly about $31, $32. Okay, but my resistance, right, the first time it peaked at $65, and the second time it peaked at $53, and now it has touched the $41 to $42 mark, right? So what will happen next? If we were to compare Tesla and NIO, I can probably tell that it will rise above. Okay, so if you do not already own NIO, or you have already owned NIO and you are finding the opportunity to buy in again, this may be a good time to buy, right? Okay, but disclaimer first, I'm not a financial advisor, nor is this a financial advice. Please do your due diligence, and this video is only on the technical analysis. I haven't done anything on the fundamental analysis, so please do your own read up, okay? What is the prospect of Tesla? What is the prospect of NIO? This one, I'll leave it up to you. This video is solely on the technical analysis. So if my technical analysis is right, the pattern of NIO might just follow Tesla, right? So this is what I want to show you. Okay, see you. Peace out.